you're experiencing connection errors on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems. Step 1. Restart your Steam Deck. Begin by restarting your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve temporary connectivity issues. Hold down the power button and select the restart option. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Wi-Fi network is functioning properly. Test your connection with another device to confirm that the internet is working. If other devices are also having issues, consider resetting your router. Step 3. Update Steam Deck software. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, then System, and check for updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve connectivity. Step 4. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Navigate to the Wi-Fi settings on your Steam Deck, select your network, and choose the option to forget it. Afterward, reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password again. This can resolve issues related to saved network configurations. Step 5. Reset network settings. If the problem persists, consider resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, then System, and look for the option to reset network settings. This will erase all saved Wi-Fi networks and require you to reconnect. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors on your Steam Deck. If issues continue, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.